morning! We are heading to Camp Olivas for an ocular. Sumama kami ni Daddy. I'm with Zion. Oh, I think the baby is sleeping na. Wow! Daddy driving. Okay, we are at Santolan Monumento. Today is June 12, Independence Day. It's a holiday, kaya tignan nyo, wala masyadong traffic. Hi Z, where are you? Z, what are you doing? Z. Yo, 3. It's Independence Day.
Dog. Dog lang. Do ba 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 do do ba do 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 adu ba do ba do do.
Hey, ano ka?
Adu adu. Wow, it floats.
Wow!
With a frog?
What's that?
A frog with a frog?
Oh, it's a lily pond.
And
It's a water lily.
a frog?
Water lily.
I'm going in the bird.
Okay. Careful. Akin na yung... No, it's already fell down.
What?
Oh, di ba?